wonders. Maybe my hairline is gonna grow back. And guys, let's do an unboxing. I bought products from SHUMIE Hair Supplies for my hairline and hair growth. You know I don't have a hairline right now. You see that? I saw their videos go TikTok and I took their numbers and I texted them. So yeah, I received the package vandaag today. So now let's unbox together and see what's particularly in it, guys. Oh shit. Okay, here's the box. Let's unbox together. They write all your details here, the details that you give them via WhatsApp. They're gonna write it here and whatever. So let's unbox. So guys, I bought this for 2 something and then it was 310 including the customs and whatever. Is it customs or transfer? I don't know. Yeah, 310 for everything here. Okay guys. Hello Papa. It's cut like this. Sure. So guys, you should go and check them out via TikTok. I'll just write all their details more and apparently they say it works wonders. Maybe my hairline is gonna grow back and my growth and whatever. So guys, let's try to unbox this thing. To unpack. What is to unwrap? Yeah, unwrap this thing together. And see if Bamba's touching it on. Okay. No blue, okay, wait, I'm coming. Oh, no, wait. Guys, these products, like, they smell so good. Like, I guess of it little unwrap. Like, I guess of it little unwrap on this thing. So, let me show you. Do you see? It's written SHUMIE Hairline Booster. Guys, I don't know if it's hairline booster. So I bought 3 of these, if I remember correctly. I bought 3 of these. Yeah. Hairline booster, like 3 of them. It's one and the same thing. Hairline booster, and they smell so good. Hey, okay, the last one, hair growth oil. Fuck. This is hair growth oil, 100 milliliter. So guys, I can't wait to use these and then get to solidify the reviews and whatever about these products, because it's gonna be my first time using them. I just saw them go TikTok and I was like, no, I'm interested. Let me just try this product and see what I feel like. So you're gonna come with me through this journey, like you're gonna dwell with me through this journey of me using SHUMIE products. Thank you for watching. Boom, 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 boom.